Make a great choice today with the 2017 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.